Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Investment Trends, where we discuss the latest news in the stock market and the economy. So for this week, as of Friday morning before the market opens, it looks like all three major indexes are headed for a slight gain for the week. Earlier this week, the NASDAQ 100 hit a new all-time record high. Also happening this week on Friday morning, we have the jobs reports data that will be released. This is causing a little bit of conflict within the stock market because a lot of people don't know if we should be happy for a higher jobs number, or would that mean that the Federal Reserve would be less likely to decrease interest rates in December? That's something that's still to be determined. Fed Chair Powell came out in a statement and said that he is in no hurry to continue cutting interest rates. So that meeting happens later on this month. Also this week, we had local company Kroger report its earnings, and Kroger met expectations with their earnings report. The stock was slightly higher on Thursday, and it did touch a new 52-week high when it got up to $61.37. Also, other companies reporting earnings this week was Five Below. So the discount retail chain store saw their stock go up as much as 10.5% in trading on Thursday. This stock has been very volatile this year. As of Thursday, the business close, it was down about 45% on the year. Something to keep an eye on if you're potentially looking for bargain stocks. Also in the news earlier this week was Bitcoin once again, as Bitcoin hit a new record high as it surpassed $100,000. So many of you may be wondering what could be causing this. A lot of people are saying that the Trump administration will be very pro-crypto, and who he is appointing to his cabinet selections are also very pro-crypto and pro-Bitcoin. There's also talks of companies adding Bitcoin on their balance sheets. So something to keep an eye on. If you are looking to trade Bitcoin, there's a couple different ways that you can go about it. Now there is Bitcoin ETFs that you can trade within your brokerage accounts. So two ticker symbols, if you're looking at that, would be IBIT, that's from iShares, and you could also look at BITB, that is the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF. So those would be the simplest way to do it. The other way would be to go to a crypto exchange like Coinbase, download the app, move your money into the app, set up a digital wallet, and purchase Bitcoin that way. So what could be in the future for Bitcoin is still to be determined. However, it is very volatile. It's up over 100% this year alone. So keep that in mind. Don't have recency bias with that. It is a very volatile investment that you could make. Make sure if you are investing in something like this, it's not a huge percentage of your overall liquid net worth. So that's all I got for this week. If you have any comments or any recommendations, make sure to leave them below.